Good morning. Last night we stayed at the Crazy Creek campground, and it was really nice. It was really clean. There's not very many people right now in Cooke City due to all the flooding and the Yellowstone National Park closures that have got going on. So I mean, like, any campground was up for grabs pretty much. And that's the one that we picked, and we spent some time at the Crazy Creek falls there. That was pretty cool experience to just sit there and enjoy the powerful river, I guess. So today, what's on the agenda is we are going to go from Cooke City to Cody, and we're going to spend some time in Cody today, and then we're going to probably end up driving over to we're either going to stay in Yellowstone Park or we're going to drive to Jackson. So join us for some more scenic tour. Checking in. We first went to the Cody Museum, the Buffalo Bill Museum to be exact, and that was really cool experience. And so then we went to eat at this Pizza Co. brewery afterward. That was pretty good. Sorry I didn't really film anything. You're not supposed to at museums. Plus, I feel like it's something that you should experience for yourself. And now we're going to be going from Cody, Wyoming into the East Yellowstone gate entrance, which is one of, I think there's 3 entrances open right now. So yeah, that's where we're going to go, and we don't know where we're going to stay yet. Our ultimate destination is Jackson, Wyoming. So stay tuned. The drive from Cody to the east entrance of Yellowstone Park was really beautiful. It's a pretty windy road that goes through several tunnels, as you saw. When you pop out of the tunnels, that was called Buffalo Bill Reservoir. Dropping down into Yellowstone Lake is pretty breathtaking. There's a trail pretty much right where the lake videos that I took starts. The trail heads off to the most remote area in the lower 48, which is called the Thoroughfare Trail. As we descended down to Jackson Lake, you start to get a glimpse of the Tetons. These mountains are so mesmerizing, and you get why they call it the Grand Teton National Park. It was hard to comprehend just what we were seeing that night, and I'm glad we were there to film it. After getting a sunset over the Tetons, we scrambled for a place to disperse camp, as there were a lot of people in Jackson for the 4th of July celebrations. We finally found a spot by Red Rock, which I will show you next episode.